Hi students, welcome back to the Lavanya chemistry classes. In this session we are going to how to calculate the pH of acids and bases. Before we are going to discuss this topic, I request all of you friends, please subscribe my channel. Now moving to the topic, calculate the pH for 0.001 molar NaOH. The question is like this, see here. Calculate the pH for 0.001 molar NaOH. In this, NaOH is a strong base. But why are you calculate pH of NaOH? First we calculate pOH and then calculate pH. NaOH is a strong base and it is a monoacidic base. Monoacidic base because in this NaOH, sodium hydroxide containing one OH group, that is the 1. So we are called as monoacidic base. Now we are calculate concentration of OH. The square brackets are represents concentration. How to calculate concentration of OH is molarity and acidity. It is the product of molarity and acidity. In this problem, the molarity is 0.001 and acidity is 1. Only one hydroxide ion is there. So, the concentration of OH is 10 power minus 3. The 0.001 converted into powers, that is the 10 power minus 3. And then we are calculate pOH. pOH. The formula of pOH is minus log of OH, concentration of OH and base 10. The concentration of OH is 10 power minus 3. The minus 3 comes to front side. Minus of minus 3 log 10. Log 10 value becomes 1. So the value is, the pOH is 3. The pOH of NaOH is 3. Now in this problem, see here, look at here, calculate the pH. The pH plus pOH. The pH scale containing 40. The 1 to 7 is the acids and 7 to 14 is the bases. In this problem we are calculating pH. So 14 minus pOH. 14 and pOH is 3. The pH value is 11. That is the pH for 0.001 molar NaOH. Okay students, we are calculating pH for any base is like this. And the next problem is calculate of pH for 0.01 molar calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Now in this problem, calcium hydroxide is a strong base and it is a diacidic base, because diacidic means it containing two hydroxide ions, so we are called it as diacidic base. Okay students, now how to calculate pOH and how to calculate concentration of OH is the product of molarity and acidity. It is the concentration, they equal to molarity into acidity. It is the product of molarity and acidity. So we are calculating OH equal to molarity into acidity. In this problem, what is the molarity? How many moles of molarity is there? 0.01 and acidity is 2. Okay students, 2. And 0.01 is converted into 10 power minus 2. Okay, and then the value is 0.02. How to, it is termed as 2 into 10 power minus 2, because 0.01 becomes 10 power minus 2. It converted into powers, it is a 1 by 100 means 10 power minus 2. And we are calculate pOH. The like this, the value is put in this figure. So negative log of base 10 and it can be divided into log AB in the form. So we are writing log A plus log B. In this, log a is 2, a value is 2 and b value is 10 power minus 2. So we are writing like this: log a plus log b form. Log 2 plus log 10 value becomes 1. So log 2 plus 2. Log 2 value is 0.3120. It is the constant value. So 0.3120, 2 minus log 2 equal to 2 minus 0.3120. It is a log 2 value. The pH becomes 12 point. The pH becomes like this. The value is 1.6990, and then we are calculating pH. The pH plus pOH equal to 14 because the scale containing 14. The pH 14 minus pOH is the 1.6990. So the pH becomes 1.3010. Okay, students, are you understood how to calculate pH for any base? Like this. Okay, now next problem is like this. Calculate pH for 0.0008 molar BaOH twice. In this problem, what is the chemical is given? Barium hydroxide is given. In barium hydroxide is a strong base, already we know, and it is a diacidic base. So the acidity is 2. So in this, how many moles are given? Barium hydroxide 0.0008 moles. Now we are calculating first concentration of OH. The concentration is equal to product of molarity into acidity. In case of it given acid, so molarity into base. And in this problem, concentration of OH equal to molarity into acidity. So the molarity is 0.0008 into acidity is 2. So the value becomes 0.000616. So the value is 16 into 10 power minus 14. Okay, students, 16 into 10 power minus 14. And then we are calculating pOH. The formula is like this: minus log of concentration of OH and to the base 10. So in this, concentration of OH is 16 into 10 power minus 4. Sorry, one spelling mistake is there. It is not 10, it is 16. Okay, student, I divided like this: log AB. So log A plus log B form, minus of log 10 is log 10 value is 1 and log 16 value is 10 power minus 4. Okay, students, are you understood? Log 16 to the base 10. So it is not 1. Okay, it is not 1. Log 16 minus of log 10 power minus 4. Minus 4 becomes front side. It is 4 log 10 10. So log 10 value becomes 1. So the log 16 value is 1.2041 and minus of minus 4 is plus 4 and log 10 value becomes 1. So it is a 4. So the 4 minus 1.2041. Okay, students, the value is like this. Okay students, 2.7959, it is the pH. Now we are calculating pH. pH plus pOH equal to 14. pH equal to 14 minus pOH. The pOH is 2.7959. So 14 minus 2.7959 becomes 11.2041. It is the pH of barium hydroxide. 0.008 molar barium hydroxide. Okay students, are you understood? And the next problem is like this. See here. Look at here. I read this. Calculate the pH for 0.004 molar NaOH. Once again I repeat to students. Calculate the pH of 0.004 m NaOH. Already we know sodium hydroxide is a strong base and it is a monoacidic acid because it containing one hydroxide ion is there. The hydroxide ion refers acidic nature. So it is a monoacidic base. Now we are calculate concentration of OH because in this problem the base is given. That's why we are calculating acidity. Concentration of OH equal to product of molarity and acidity. In this problem, the acidity of NaOH is 1 because it is a monoacidic base and the molarity is 0.004 is given. Okay students. So the value becomes 4 into 10 power minus 3 because 0.001 is 10 power minus 3. And then we are calculating pOH. pOH equal to negative log of concentration of OH to the base 10. The concentration of OH is 4 into 10 power minus 3. Okay students. So minus log of 4 plus log 10 power minus 3 to the base 10. It is in the form of log A plus log B. So log 4 minus log minus 3, it is come to the front side, it is the minus of minus 3 becomes plus 3. Log 4 plus 3, log 10 value is 1. Okay students, log 10 value always 1. So 3 minus log 4. The log 4 value is 0.6021. Okay, 0.6021. We are by heart all the log values 1 to 10. Log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4, log 5. How much? So the 3 minus 0.6021, the value becomes 2.39 and 79. 3979. And then we are calculating pH. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. The pH equal to 14 minus the pOH is 2.3979. We put the value in pOH 2.3979. The value becomes, the pH is 11.6021. It is the pH of 0.004 molar concentration of NaOH. Thank you for watching students. I hope you like this video. Please like it and share it.